In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam WebHelper not responding error quickly and easily. This is a common issue many Steam users run into, where the Steam client becomes slow, unresponsive, or completely freezes because the Steam WebHelper process stops working properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes with a couple of simple steps. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so your Steam client runs smoothly again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's go ahead and fix the Steam WebHelper not responding problem. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam and end any processes that might still be running in the background. Even if Steam looks closed, some services often continue running and can cause the WebHelper error. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. This may include Steam Client Bootstrapper or Steam WebHelper. Click on each Steam-related process and then click End Task to close them completely. After you've ended all Steam processes, open Steam again normally from your desktop or Start menu and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem still happens, the next step is to clear your Steam download cache. Corrupted cache files are another common reason the WebHelper stops responding. Open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner. Then select Settings. Inside the Settings window, go to the Download section. Here you'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Click this button and confirm when Steam asks. Steam will restart and you may need to sign back into your account, which is completely normal. Finally, make sure your Steam client is fully updated. Outdated versions of Steam can sometimes cause WebHelper crashes. Click Steam in the top left corner again and select Check for Steam Client Updates. If an update is available, allow Steam to download and install it, then restart the client. In most cases, these steps will completely fix the Steam WebHelper not responding issue. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy software fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.